Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily change the mini-map size in Civilization 6. To change your mini-map size on Civilization 6, first of all, launch open the Civilization 6 game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner, and in the menu option, tap on Options. Inside the Options tab, go to Interface at the top and scroll down and look for the Minimap Size button. Drag the slider towards the right to increase the minimap size. To decrease it, drag it towards the left. Go ahead and make your selection and click on Confirm. Once you do that, return to the game and you will notice your minimap size increased or decreased to your preference. So that is how you can easily customize your mini-map in Civilization 6. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.